Alam mo, totoo nga na umayon yung stars para kay Atisa Manalo na hinirang bilang Miss Universe Philippines 2025. I am sure marami ang nag-agree pero hindi din talaga natin may iwasan na maraming disagree. Alam niyo ba kagabi, hindi ko na talaga kayang magpuyat pa kasi nga nag-a-adjust pa rin yung katawan ko during my review. So nagtra-transition ulit siya back to normal between 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. Yan yung sleep time ko kasi kailangan ko mag-review. So kaya sinabi ko na mukhang naka-align talaga kay Atisa Manalo yung star para manalo sa MUPH 2025. And ganito rin yung mga sinabi ng ibang mga nagwa-vlog, yung ibang mga social media personalities na ayan, mukhang nasa kanya na nga yung between nung gabing yan. Ang winning answer. So, eto yung question. They say that a good leader leads by example. Tell us about one event in your life when you led by example and the impact that it made. So, eto yung answer niya. I fell a while ago on stage. And the thing with me is whenever I fall in life, I always make sure that I come back stronger. Last year, I was here on the stage, and for the second time this year, I'm here putting everything on stage to become Miss Universe Philippines. Because this is mine and my grandmother's shared dream. And she passed away early this year, and this is my ode to her. So, yan yung winning answer ni Atisa. And I believe, ito yung nagkaroon siya ng deeper meaning, sharing her own personal experience without using yung mga highfalutin words. Parang nagpakatotoo lang siya na hindi mo kailangan ng deep terminologies para you sound smart. So, very meaningful, makaka-relate ka talaga sa sinabi niya. And I believe, yan yung nakita ng mga judges kaya nanalo siya as Miss Universe Philippines 2025. You may correct me, or you may not agree with my opinion, pero I think ito yung best answer na sinabi niya. Kaya magkakaroon tayo ng recap. Unahin naman natin yung gown and then sa swimsuit later on. Nakita natin na yung ayos ni Atisa Manalo, yung hairstyle niya is naka-bun. So, ready for the crown talaga. And then, ibang-iba din yung gown na pinasuot sa kanya with that pink shade or fuchsia shade na gown. Tapos, nung pag-apak niya sa pinakahuling step or sa level ng stage na mukhang naapakan niya yung part ng gown niya. Kaya, medyo nahulog siya or napadapa siya. Pero, nakita naman natin yung facial expression niya na she